Hey, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the Roaming Vidlers YouTube channel. Apologies, been a little bit slack on the videos from Spain and Portugal, but you know, once you're there and enjoying the sights and the food and the drink, then it's started with good intentions, but we failed miserably on some of the videos. Done a few, so there's a few there for you to see, and I'll do some catch-ups when we get back home. However, I digress. We are back in France now. We're just on the Brittany-Normandy border, so I just thought I'd do a bit of a video on a French air and a municipal campsite. The actual campsite has really shocking reviews on Google, but we'll come to that in a minute. So you can see where we are. We're in a town called Tinteniac. Beautiful, well, it's not particularly a beautiful town, it's got a beautiful church. We're on a beautiful canal. So this is the canal. So it's absolutely beautiful. Go there fishing, and you can see the free air in the distance there. Now, we fully intended to stay there. We got there yesterday afternoon. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday afternoon. It was rammed. It was full. There was only 10 spaces, but it was full of the French. No disrespect to the French, but because it's free, it's free. There's water, chemical dump point, but it's a bit jammed in, to be honest. You know, they're all jammed in there, and you're not supposed to get your tables and chairs out and stuff, but the French don't seem to worry about that. So it worked out good for us. So literally, where I'm standing, opposite the river, opposite the air, is the municipal campsite. So we'll come to that in a second. But you know, if you want to come to the air, then you can get there early. But it's really is potluck whether you're going to find a space or not. Yeah, it's free, but there's no electric. You got the other stuff, but no electric. So we shot just around the corner, literally into the municipal campsite. So let's go and have a look at that. So as I said, the reviews are pretty shocking for this site. And we looked at them when we rocked up yesterday, and we thought, well, we probably won't be staying here very long. But you know, we got settled in, and the pitches I'll show you in a minute are absolutely huge. The grass pitches, nicely maintained, plenty, you know, really big pitches. You can park sideways in there, almost in your motorhome. Electric hookup if you need it. The only slight downside to here is the chemical waste is you've got to go back to the air across the other side of the road. But there is fresh water just there on the tap, and that's the office. And the office is open from 7:30 to about 11:30 in the morning. But you can show up any time in the afternoon, just find your pitch, and then sort out the payment in the morning. So there's a very nice, pleasant girl in there this morning who sorted stuff out. And again, some of the reviews were saying the lady here was shocking, rude, but we didn't find that. Maybe they've moved her on, but no, so no problems there. So let's have a look around the shower. So there's into the gents' shower. It's just old. It's just old. Gents' toilets. You can see it's just old. It just needs a refurb, but it all works. The water's hot, so you can have a shower. There's hot water for your washing clothes, and there's a lady in there washing now, and that's the toilet. So yeah, it's old and dated, but you know, I think the reviews are a little bit harsh, to be honest. So just walking up to the top end of the campsite. So these are the empty pitches, but as you can see, they're absolutely huge. You know, loads of room in there. There's a car park there. There's a music school opposite, and there's the community hall there. There's a bit of a party going on there this afternoon. All the locals playing some music. But you know, it's, I say, the reviews are bad, but pretty much based on the shower block. But like I say, you know, what do you want for 12 euros? It's a lovely little site. There's some great cycling from here. We've been out cycling today. You know, you can cycle down the canal path for miles. It's a beautiful area. It really is nice. So there we are. The air across the road, free. It was a bit of a bonus for us. I'm glad it was full when we got there. So we've ended up over here. We thought about probably staying about 10 minutes, but we've actually stayed a couple of days. But there we go. So there we are. So if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button. And I apologise to my other subscribers for not being so diligent with some of the reviews I fully intended to do. So I'll try and catch up with those when we get home. I think we've got about a couple of weeks left of our 90 days, courtesy of Brexit. So I'll catch up when we get home. But I'll put some links in the description below of where we are. And thanks for watching, and catch you later.